Welcome to Module 1, where we start by exploring what opportunity ecosystems are and why they matter. Many young people think opportunities just appear by luck, but in reality, opportunities live inside ecosystems, environments where people, institutions, and platforms connect to create possibilities. In this session, we'll uncover what these ecosystems look like, their building blocks, and why they're so important for your personal and professional development. An opportunity ecosystem is essentially a network, a living environment where opportunities are created, shared, and sustained. Think of it like an ecosystem in nature. Every plant, animal, and resource contributes to the system. In the professional world, ecosystems include people, institutions, and platforms that support growth. A career fair is an ecosystem because it brings together employers, job seekers, and schools. A startup hub is another, connecting investors, entrepreneurs, and mentors. Even an online learning community like Coursera or GitHub is an ecosystem where people share skills and create possibilities. By recognizing these ecosystems, we learn that opportunities don't appear randomly, they are built into systems. Opportunity ecosystems share some key characteristics. First, they are interconnected. People, institutions, and platforms link together in complex ways, and your position in that network matters. Second, they are dynamic. Ecosystems are always changing. New platforms emerge, industries shift, and relationships evolve. Finally, ecosystems can be inclusive or exclusive. Some people have easy access, while others are left out. Understanding this helps us realize why some youth find it easier to access opportunities. They're already plugged into ecosystems, while others need to work harder to get connected. Recognizing these dynamics is the first step to navigating them strategically. Every ecosystem is built on three main elements. First, institutions. These are schools, universities, companies, governments, or NGOs. They provide structure, resources, and formal opportunities. Second, people, mentors, peers, teachers, or professionals who directly influence your growth. Third, platforms. Digital spaces like LinkedIn, YouTube, Discord, or local community networks where knowledge and opportunities are exchanged. If you want to grow, you need to connect with all three. Institutions that open doors, people who guide you, and platforms that showcase your abilities. Why should we care about opportunity ecosystems? Because they are the engines of growth. First, they give you access to resources, whether it's scholarships, internships, training programs, or funding for projects. Second, they expose you to ideas and opportunities you wouldn't find on your own. A single community can introduce you to new industries, new people, and even new countries. And third, they provide support and mobility. A mentor's advice, a peer's recommendation, or a collaborative project can move you forward faster than working alone. In short, ecosystems are the difference between struggling in isolation and thriving in community. To close Module 1, let's reflect on the key insights. Ecosystems are not random. They are structured environments made of people, institutions, and platforms. They are interconnected and constantly changing, which means your role in them can also evolve. And they are powerful because they open doors, expose you to new ideas, and provide support systems for growth. Understanding this concept is the first step in using opportunity ecosystems to your advantage. In the next module, we'll learn how to actually navigate these ecosystems so you can start mapping and connecting with them. To keep exploring, here are 3 resources. The book The Startup Community Way dives deep into how ecosystems function, especially in entrepreneurship. The podcast Masters of Scale shares stories of how leaders built networks that turned into opportunities. And TEDx talks on career ecosystems are a great way to see these ideas in action. Each of these resources gives you more tools to think about your own place in opportunity ecosystems. Well done for watching the first chapter of Module 2. Before you go ahead and scan the QR code to visit the Youth Living Labs Academy and get access to the full material of the training program. See you next time.